Everyone say hello, teacher. Hello, teacher. Good job, everyone. Now, everyone, how are you today? How are you today? I'm angry. Are you angry? No. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? No. Are you good? Yay! Everyone say, I am good. I am. Yay! Okay, now everyone, where are you from? Where are you from? Good job! I'm from Vietnam. I'm from Vietnam. Good job. Okay, now everyone. Now, it's song time. It's song time. It's song time. Now let's sing and dance along with the teacher. Okay? Are you ready, everyone? Say, yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Let's get started. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Step forward. 1, 2, 3. Step back. 1, 2, 3. Spin around. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did it! Okay, everyone, do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game? Say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Now, listen to the teacher. Listen. I will introduce about the rule of game. Okay? Listen. I have 4 words. Okay? When I say close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes. Okay? Yes? I will take one word. I will take one word out. I will take one word out. Okay? Yes. And when I say open your eyes. Open. Everyone, open your eyes. Yeah, you will open your eyes and guess what is missing. What is missing? Okay, yes? Okay, now, do you understand, everyone? Do you understand? Say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Now, let's get started. Yay, everyone, look at here. Look here. Do you remember what are these? What are these? Now, number 1. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? Number 1, what do you see? I see a flower. Good job. I see a flower. Very good. What color is the flower? What color? It's red. No, it's yellow. No, it's pink. Good job. It's pink. Very good. Now, and number two. What do you see? What do you see? Number two. I see the sun. Good job. I see the sun. And the sun came up, up, up. Good job. What color the sun? What color? Oh, it's yellow. Good job. It's yellow. Happy sun. Very good. And number three. What do you see? What do you see? Number three. Yay! I see a leaf. I see a leaf. Leaf. What color is the leaf? What color? Yay! It's green. Good job. The leaf is green. Very good. Okay, and the last one, number four. What do you see? Number four. Good job. I see a butterfly. Fly. Good job, everyone. Okay, now everyone, listen. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, okay? Close your eyes. No cheating. Close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes. Now, close your eyes. Yes, okay? Now, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Open. Wow. Look at here. What is missing? What is missing? What is missing? Butterfly is missing. The butterfly is missing. Yes or no? No, butterfly here. Yay. Okay, so sun is missing. And the sun came up. Sun is missing. The sun is missing. Yes or no? No, the sun is here. And the flower is missing. Yes or no? No, the flower here. So, what is missing, everyone? What is missing? Yay! Okay, everyone, let's count. 1, 2, 3. What is missing, everyone? Yay! The leaf is missing. Yay! Very good, everyone. Now the next. Everyone. Close your eyes. No cheating, okay? Now, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Open! What is missing, everyone? Look here. What is missing? Sun is missing. Yes or no? No. Butterfly is missing. No. So what is missing? Yay! Okay, now everyone will do this. Good job. Now let's count. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay. What is missing? The flower is missing. The flower is missing. Good job, everyone. Yay. Okay, now the next. Everyone. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. No cheating, everyone. No cheating. Okay, now everyone. No cheating, okay? Yes. Now, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Open. What is missing, everyone? What is missing? What is missing? What is missing? Leaf? Leaf is missing. Leaf is missing. No, leaf is here. What is missing? What is missing? Sun is missing? No, sun is here. What is missing? Yay! Now everyone, what is missing? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. What is missing, everyone? Yay! Good job. The butterfly is missing. Fly, fly, fly. The butterfly is missing. Yay! Okay. Now everyone, close your eyes again. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. No cheating. No cheating. No cheating. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Yes, okay. Close your eyes and be quiet. 1, 2, and 3. Open. Open your eyes. Open. What is missing, everyone? What is missing? What is missing? Do you know? What is missing? Do you know what is missing? What is missing? Butterfly is missing? No. Butterfly here. Yes. What is missing? Leaf? Leaf is missing? No. No. Flower? Flower is missing? No. Flower here. What is missing? Who knows? What is missing? Raise your hand. What is missing? Yay! Good job! And the sun come up, 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 up. What is missing, everyone? Now let's count. 3, 2, 1. What is missing? Yay! The sun is missing. The sun is missing. Very good, everyone. Yay! Okay, now everyone, the last one, okay? Yes, okay. Now everyone look at here. Look here. Number one is flower. Yes, number 2 is the sun. Very good. Number 3 is the leaf. Very good, the leaf. And number 4 is yes, the butterfly. Okay, now everyone, close your eyes again. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. No cheating, everyone, no cheating. No cheating, okay? Now everyone, shh, be quiet. 1, 2, and 3. Open your eyes. Open! Yay! Okay, what are missing, everyone? What is missing? Okay, now, butterfly is missing? No. The sun is missing? No. So what is missing? Do you know? What? Yeah? What? What is this? What is this? Yeah. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yay, very good. The leaf is missing. The leaf is missing. And what else? What else? What else? Yay, very good. Is flower. The flower is missing. Very good. So what is missing, everyone? The leaf and flower are missing. Very good. The leaf and flower are missing. Good job, everyone. Yay. Very good. Bye. Yay, yay, yay. Everyone, it's time to say goodbye. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. Now everyone, let's sing and dance along with the teacher. Okay, yes. Now let's sing the song. See you later, alligator. Okay, along with the teacher. Yes, okay. Now let's go. See you later, alligator, in a white crocodile. Give a heart, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur, taking care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. See you next